If you're keen to reduce waste and improve the way you manage your kitchen trash, a countertop compost bin is a great place to start. These self-contained systems allow you to collect coffee grounds, fruit and vegetable scraps, egg shells, and more, and either compost them yourself or deliver them to the closest local collection center. So in this video we will discuss 5 best kitchen composter for shooting. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. OXO Easy-Clean Compost Bin. This cylindrical plastic compost bin is ideal for beginners who don't have a lot of counter space. The lid flips open for easy filling, then locks in an airtight seal for odor-free storage. The smooth interior walls prevent food from getting stuck and caking up, and when it's time to clean this OXO bin, you can stick it in the dishwasher. The sturdy rotating handle makes this bin easy to transport. Reviewers say this bin, unlike many others on the market, does not attract fruit flies. Still, not everyone loves that the bin is made from plastic. Pros: comes in multiple colors. Easy to clean. User-friendly. Cons: on the small side. Number 2. Full circle odor-free kitchen compost bin. This is not your typical plastic compost bin. Not only does the larger capacity allow you to store your scraps for multiple days, it's made from recycled materials, is BPA-free, and has no harmful coatings, dyes, or chemicals. The green bin opens easily with the push of a button. Reviewers who previously used stainless steel bins love this one, noting that it comes with compostable bags that eliminate concerns about cleaning it out every few weeks. Pros: stays cleaner than other models. Made of recycled materials. Larger size is good for families. Cons: compostable bags are extra. Number 3. EPICA Kitchen Composter. This EPICA Kitchen Composter is a top-of-the-line product that is composed of long-lasting stainless steel. It comes with an airtight lid and charcoal filters to help get rid of smells. The filter is easy to replace, so you'll never have to worry about your bin smelling bad. This compost bin has a tight-fitting lid to keep pests out and prevent spills. To fit your countertops, this bin has a sleek and compact design. It is also rust and leak resistant, as the whole structure is fused together. It's big enough to hold 1.3 gallons of food scraps, so you won't have to empty it every day. Pros: amazing build quality. Easy to clean. The lid keeps the contents secure. Cons: the charcoal filter isn't as effective. Number 4. BAMBOOZLE Indoor Food Composter. If you want a vessel as eco-friendly as your composting habit, look no further. This BAMBOOZLE bin is made of biodegradable, dishwasher-safe, sustainably harvested bamboo. This compost bin requires a charcoal filter to absorb odors, which should be replaced every 2 months. This square bin looks modern and comes in multiple colors. When you're ready to move on, you can toss it without a second thought, because the material will biodegrade. The small to medium size makes it a great option for people with smaller kitchens, too. Pros: completely biodegradable. Manufactured sustainably. Durable. Cons: filters need to be replaced every 2 months. Number 5. Utopia Kitchen Composter. The Utopia Kitchen Composter is an excellent solution for people looking for a simple and effective way to compost their kitchen scraps. It is made from good quality stainless steel, so it's long-lasting and effortless to clean. It also comes with a lid that fits snugly, ensuring your compost stays fresh and free of odors. This bin has a 1.3-gallon capacity, making it large enough to accommodate all of your kitchen scraps. Plus, it has unique charcoal filters that help absorb odors, keeping your kitchen smelling fresh and sanitary. This kitchen composter is also easy to clean. All you have to do is wash the compost bin with some soap and warm water. Its sleek and sturdy design will blend perfectly in your kitchen. Pros: easy to clean. Provides excellent value for the money. Has a large capacity. Prevents the buildup of foul odor. Cons: looks very plain. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.